Hey YouTubers, welcome to another Professor Vector. Well, VIA Cad14 is out for Windows as of last week, and I thought I'd do a quick little review, show you some of the new features. You know it's going to be good luck because I got VIA Cad12 and there was no 13. They skipped 13 and went right to 14. So here we are. This is VIA Cad Pro, the 14 version, and this is on Windows. Alright, let's take a look at some of the nice woodworking tools first of all. So we got tools and we got woodworking, which is kind of neat. So we won't look at all these, but we can make a cube because most of these things are going to rely on a cube first of all. And so the first thing is like a miter cut. So you select an edge for a miter cut and bang, there it is, 45 degrees out. Pretty straightforward and simple. This is the dado. And this is a rabbit cut. You could do that one. Some of these I'm not sure. Let's shut off the grid, get that out of the way, and shut off the cursor origins. So we select a part edge. There is one, and then you select the face, and there's your cut. You got quarter inch, make it 0.1 inch. Let's do this again. And so there's your 0.1 inch, and that's how wide it is. So that's kind of nice. Let's look at the tongue and groove for 3D printing. It's kind of nice because you can make snap together parts. So you select your first parallel edge and your second parallel edge, and there you have it. These two will snap together, and you can set the width and depth on those. Undo this, and you can do some nice faces with this. Or you can do the opposite. Undo. Make one of those, one of these. So some pretty nice stuff there. They got just to go over some of the other things, they got lofting solids. They got the skin, the solids. They got pipes. The pipe is kind of nice. The bossing and the hole cut feature. All right, so you want to cut a hole in here. You select the solid face, that solid face, and you pick your hole and depth, simple hole, hit return, and it cuts the hole out. Okay, if you want a hole with countersinking, select the face, hit return, and you get your countersinked. And there is a boss one too. So undo this, select the face, hit return, and you'll get a boss. So let's try the diameter a little smaller, 0.2. Select the face. And you can have smaller ones. So looks, plus you have where you can do it on the normals, different XY planes, all that stuff. So it looks like a pretty nice upgrade. So if you found it useful, give me a thumbs up, subscribe. That always helps me. Give it a like, give me some comments, what you want to see, what you don't want to see. And thanks again. Bye.